Hello, we're still in the throes of the wintry blast. Not done yet. We can see the light at the end of the tunnel to kick this out of the way, but still some snow to contend with. This time the focus will be shifting to the Northland as we finish off the day and work through the nighttime hours. You see this cluster of cloud here. This is the colder air that has spread in, moving across the warmer water, and it just bubbles up because it's very unstable air. The main surge of energy is this little cluster of cloud here, but one more trough to work its way in. This little speckle of cloud down to the south. Just keep an eye on that because that'll send another surge of some showers. These will be snow because the snow level already down to sea level across the South Island. It'll drop down to 300 metres across the North Island. This trough here feeds in further snow showers as we finish off the day and most particularly go into the nighttime hours. Watch out from places like Taihape, round to the west of the volcano, the desert road, and also the lower North Island, maybe around some of the hills surrounding Wellington over towards the South Wairarapa. That whole thing will just be spreading its way through. A cold, frosty night, even as far north, but notice things slowly starting to improve. It's still going to be cold and frosty, but you've lost that main surge of moisture across the far south of the South Island. And high pressure, there it is, sitting, slowly going to build in and take this core of cold air and clear it away. So things improving after what is going to be quite a cold, probably a wintry start. And for some of us, you'll wake up in the morning and go, wow, look at that snow. Snow levels will be very low. There will be some lying snow, but things slowly starting to melt, improve through the day after what is a bone-chilling start. You'll want all the extra layers. You'll be like this at the old bus stop as the abominable snowman. But the high starts to build in. We cut off that supply of cold air with the southerly, and things starting to warm up. But here's how the day goes. You don't be surprised, could wake up in the morning, could be one of the coldest mornings so far. That's the day in Russell, 16, so at least numbers improving. These are just one of two showers here and there. Auckland as well, after that bone-chilling start to the day, you're going to get to 15. A brighter looking day, a drier looking day. Same for Tauranga, only going to get to 13, but we're on the upswing, slowly clearing this cold air away. Further south though, if you're going to be in the car, bear in mind maybe the morning commute, say if you're going over the desert road, and any spots across the central plateau with snow levels down to say 300 metres, watch out in Taihape with the risk of that snow, which above 600 metres could be 20, maybe 30 centimetres of snow, lying snow as you start off the day. And look at these numbers, even by the end of the day, even though it's drying out, 1 or 2 showers, 11, 12 here and there. That keen old southerly slowly starting to lose some of its bite by the time we finish off the day. Further south from that, watch out as well in the morning, maybe heading across the Rimutaka Hill Road. That perhaps could have some of that snow for the morning hours, slowly improving there. Wellington 11, maybe some snow, down to very low levels, and some of the heavier showers could even bring some soft hail even to sea level. By the time we finish the day, Wanganui is 13, Wellington, we're only getting to 11, but things will be on the upswing next couple of days. Further south, we look at, say, Blenheim is 13, another cold, frosty night for you. The southerly we've had across Cook Strait starts to ease back somewhat, 14 for Nelson, Westport as well, 14, with at least sunny skies here. Further south, let's say for much of Canterbury, you'll see what are the few wintry showers clear away. You've got a decent dry looking day, still a bit on the cool side, but at least numbers are into double figures. 13, so we're beating the back of this cold southerly. 11 for Timaru, and you see that core of those southerlies, like a school of green fish, starting to ease its way off towards the east. And then for the far south, of course, it's going to be a hard frost into many spots. Queenstown, our numbers here by day only to about 7, another frosty night, but at least we're beating back the moisture as far as the snow is concerned. Just, if anything, a few little showers down to the far south. As you head further inland, might still be a little bit of snow, but if anything, the core of that cold air is drifting away. Temperatures here, just about to double figures, still into that southwest flow. We're saying goodbye to the cold air, the little brief taste of winter, that core of cold air there in the southerly, that shifts away, high pressure builds in, and we have the flow instead coming from the west to northwest. That brings in some wet weather as you finish off the week. But temperatures for all of us at least creeping back to temperatures where they should be for the time of year. Bit of wet weather to the west coast to finish off the week. Further north, high pressure, you're dry, quiet and milder. That's the weather for now. More at metservice.com.